Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home. This is your general knowledge class, chapter 26 and sources of energy. About energy, your parents are giving you nutritious food to get energy, isn't it? Energy means power. We eat nicely, then we get power. But something such as a fan in our home, TV, refrigerator, everything needs energy to run. Even we have to charge our mobile also, means give power to it, isn't it? Then we are going to study about these energies today, and there are two types of energy. I am showing you the slide. See, first is coal, oil, natural gas. These are non-renewable sources of energy. If once it is used, it is over. You can't use it again and again and again. They are also called fossil fuels, as they are products of plants, because thousands of years, if the plants are inside the earth, then only they form coal, especially coal. But there are one more energy, and that is renewable energy. And you can see nowadays solar energy is promoted. You will see solar plant everywhere, and in Gujarat the biggest solar plant of Asia is planted. And hydropower, geothermal power, wind energy, biomass, these are the energy which every day it can be produced. In biomass, you will see cow dung are put in the stored in one thing, and then from that only the energy is produced. This type of energies you can mostly see in the villages. Light is also working, street light or light at home also. And before 10 to 20 years ago, when there was no electricity in many village, this biomass was very useful, and even people cook food on it. Wind energy is produced from the wind, hydropower from water, and solar energy is the source of sun. All of you know, because solar energy, solar plate right now you will see in the town also, cities also, for the street light. Now today's chapter we are going to do the different types of energy, and I will show you here. See, this auto, it runs on CNG also and on diesel also, and right now it is running on battery also. Right now Hawa which auto you are watching, my dear, it runs on battery also. So these are the new forms of energy: gas, battery, car runs on petrol also, diesel also. And recently car has been launched running on electricity also. It costs a little more than general. This is diesel. This is good strain. This runs on diesel, but right now it is running on electric also. So both the thing, diesel, somewhere there where there is no electric wire, there diesel is also used and electric is also used. Now this is the train, whether it is monorail, metro rail or train. This wire and this hook, this shows that it runs on electricity. Upside one wire is going and it touches in the wire and it gets energy, and this works on electricity. Next, see aeroplane. Aeroplane runs on jet fuels. It is a little costly also, but jet fuel is a different type of fuel which is used in the planes. Flowing water. This is a source of energy. On many places you will see dams are made where hydroelectricity is produced, and this hydroelectricity is produced by water. Now see, this is wind energy. Through these windmills, electricity is produced and stored in the battery, and this energy is produced only when the wind is blowing there. When it is not blowing, means it is cool and calm, this doesn't move and no electricity can be produced. This, I think, at home you can see LPG gas. This is liquefied petroleum gas which we get in cylinder and we use. At home also, my dear, you can see many sources of energy we use to cook. LPG, electricity, biogas, coal, even wood is also used in the village. So these are different types of energies we use to cook food. Now here is given a solar plate. The sun makes solar energy. Solar panel are used to produce electricity. First of all, we have seen solar lantern, but right now the energy of whole, how much your consumption is at home, that much energy can be. This is the modified plate, and now that much energy can be produced. But this is also produced in the presence of sunlight. If sunlight means bright sunny day, more electricity is produced. If it is foggy day, then little bit less electricity is produced. Windmills use energy of the wind to make electricity. When wind is blowing, the windmill moves and it produces electricity, as I have explained you earlier. Waterfalls can also be used to make power. My dear, waterfalls are used to make power, and on many places where hydroelectricity is produced, people make that type of situation, that water falls from upside, and through that the machine is working and it is producing energy. Now food gives us energy. Some food gives us more energy than others, isn't it? And the food that gives us more energy are called healthy food, isn't it? We usually suggest students to eat healthy food, small children, because they need more energy also, they need energy to grow also. Next is coal, petroleum, oil, gas are stored in the ground. LED light bulbs use very little energy. They last at least 10 years. And right now in all the houses you will see any electric equipment we are purchasing. We are purchasing according to their capacity, how much they consume. 3-star rating, 4-star rating, 5-star rating, and in that only first yellow bulb was available in the market, and that bulb used to consume more energy. But now LED light bulb, 3 watt, 7 watt, 9 watt, 11 watt, which 60 watt was doing, here 10 watt is doing. That means we can, in 1/5 energy, we can use the energy which we were using in one day. Now we can use 5 days that much energy. And if we will use this type of LED light, then what will happen? Our whole citizen of India can get the energy. That's why it is promoted to purchase the things which consumes less energy. Now see my dear, here are some fill in the blanks related to this chapter. The dash makes solar energy, and all of you know that sun makes solar energy. Solar panels are used to produce electricity. Coal, petroleum, oil and gas are stored in the, and where it is stored? Ground. Dash light bulbs use very little energy, and it is LED. It uses, now a LED tube light is also available in the market. LED light bulbs last at least 10 years. It is telling 10 years, my dear, but the shopkeeper is giving the warranty only of 1 or 2 years. Windmills use energy of the wind to make electricity. Dash gives us energy, and food gives us energy. So eat healthy foods right now, so that nothing can disturb you, means no disease can attack on you. If you are healthy, if you are taking healthy food, you will be fit and fine. Waterfalls can also be used to make electricity. Thank you, my dear. Watch this, do your work on time, and do all the works very neatly. Thank you.